What's up everyone and welcome to the club. If you love drawing as much as I do, then make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw Dark Sonic. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a small oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle, come down towards the bottom of our oval, and then back up towards the top. I'm going to draw a small circle along the top of that oval for a highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Let's move to the side of the nose and draw the top edge of the muzzle. We'll start on the left. Bend this down, and then up towards the side. Let's line this up on the right. Coming down, and then up. Let's round out the side of the muzzle, coming around, and then bending that in. Now let's connect the ends with the bottom of the head. Bend this down and in towards the center. Go across, and then up towards the right. Let's shift the mouth over towards the right side. Starting in the middle, curve this up, and then out, and we'll add a bracket on the end. Let's move back to the nose and draw the center of the brow. We'll start on the left side, bend this out, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the end, we're going to bend the brow going up, and then out towards the top of the eye. On the top left, we're going to step in, curve the outside of the eye, coming around, down, and then in on top of the muzzle. Let's go back to the nose in the center, draw a short line going up. I'm going to go up above the brow and add a curve, going up and out towards the left, and then the right side. Let's place the ears along the top. We're going to line up with the top edge of the eye, step up, bend the ear going out, and then up. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. From the top, we're going to bend the ears coming back in, and then down. Now you want to trace the ears along the side. From the bottom, we'll step up. Just trace the left side, going up towards the top. Come in towards the inside. And it'll connect the bottom of these lines with a curve, going up and in. Now I'm going to add in that center spike going in behind the ears. From the inside, we'll step out, go up, and then bend that in towards the center of our page. Go out and then down in behind the right ear. Let's curve two large spikes along the side, starting from the left, bend this out, and then up, and then from the top, we're going to go around the ear, come down, and then in towards the side of the head. Now from the bottom, we're going to step up and add another spike, going out and then up. And then from the top, bend this coming down, and we'll pull that in towards the side of the cheek. Let's add a small fold on the side of the head. Starting on top of the cheek, bend this around the eye, and then up. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, down, and then in towards the hip. Go to the right side, go in the opposite direction, and pull that in towards the same height. From the hips, move to the center, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Now we're going to leave a small gap in center, step over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down and out in an angle, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips, draw another angled line coming all the way down towards the same height. And then we'll round out the bottom of the ankles. Now we're going to go back and add that patch in the center of the body. On the top left, let's step in, we're drawing an oval, going all the way around towards the bottom, go up on the right side, tuck that up underneath the head. Now I'm going to wrap a thick cuff around the ankles. From the bottom corner, step up, curve around, and then in like a bracket. Go to the inside and do the same thing. Let's draw the bottom of the cuff. We're going to step out, curve around, come down towards the bottom, and just tuck that in on the inside. Let's go to the inside of the cuff, curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down, and then bend that up towards the outside. And then from the outside of the foot, I'm going to curve this up, and then bend that in towards the side of the cuff. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. You want to take this curve, and step up, and just trace that across. And then we'll add a thick curved stripe across the top of the foot. Start on the left, bend this in, and then down towards the sole. And we'll step out and draw that same curve again. Now going back up to the top of the body, I want to step down, curve the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist. Let's line this up on the right side. Let's round up the wrist, going out and then up. And we'll follow that same curve, going up and in underneath the head. Now you want to add that same cuff around the wrist. From the outside corner, we'll step up, curve around like a bracket. Same thing on the inside. And then we'll draw the bottom of the cuff, starting from the outside, going all the way around, and just tucking that up underneath. Let's go to the inside of the cuff along the bottom, draw a half circle for the thumb, coming in and out. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and up around that bracket. Come down along the side, go out and up. And we'll start the 3rd finger on the side, going around the hand. Just pull that in towards the outside of the cuff. Now let's add the tail on the left side. Starting from the hip, curve this down and out. I'm going to pull that back in towards the side of the leg. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon illustration of Dark Sonic. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.